The clever fox outsmarts the wolf.
In Whispering Woods lived Reynard, a fox famed for his sharp, quick wit. His mind was a map of clever paths. One sunny morning, a hungry wolf named Grimwald prowled nearby, his stomach rumbling loudly. He searched for an easy meal. Grimwald's sharp eyes spotted Reynard, thinking he'd found a tasty, simple snack. The chase was about to begin then. Reynard knew he couldn't outrun the strong wolf for long. His clever brain started spinning like a playful top now. He darted towards the old well, a place Grimwald didn't know. Reynard's clever scheme was now taking shape quickly. At the well, 2 buckets hung on a rope, perfectly balanced. Reynard smiled. His eyes twinkled with mischief now. Reynard jumped in one bucket. "Delicious cheese is down here, Grimwald," he called, tempting the very hungry wolf then. Greedy Grimwald jumped into the other bucket, sending it down. Reynard, in his own bucket, then smoothly rose up. Reynard hopped out, safe, chuckling at the trapped wolf below. His cleverness had indeed saved his furry little day. So Reynard trotted off, leaving Grimwald to ponder. Brains, he showed that day, are truly mightier than brawn.
Thank you for watching A Fairy Good Tale. If you like, you can watch another video. Thank you. If you liked the video, like and subscribe.
Goodbye.